Do you want to know how you can sign in to your Z&H Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to the channel. It's me, your host, back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in to your Z&H Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Z&H Foods Payroll and click on the first link, which is called Green Sage. Z&H Foods has been turned to Green Sage Online, so you can also use your previous account details to sign into your account. The first step is to write down your email address, and the second step is to write down your password. After you write down your password, go ahead and check your password once and click login. This way you can sign up or sign into your Z&H Foods Payroll account, which is now converted to Green Sage Online. If you want to reset your password, this is the link for you. And if you want to read about the terms and conditions of Green Sage, you can click on this link. I hope this video about how you can sign up or sign in for Z&H Payroll was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.